Hello, this is Reiki Doc. This is a new Reiki symbol that I'm going to share with you today. This is a galactic Reiki symbol, and it's one for all Reiki practitioners to use. If you're one of my regular readers, you've already been attuned to Reiki 1 or had a Reiki 1 attunement boost from me. I sent it to your guardian angel, and if you haven't set the intention to get that yet, it's waiting for you, and it'll help. Ordinarily, I wouldn't do Reiki this way, but because of the incredible, intense energy changes that are coming to the planet, Spirit asked me to make this as a means for you to adapt to the energies better, and also to get in touch with your innate healing abilities, and this will help you connect with your purpose as we go to the higher dimensions. So anyhow, this one here, galactic symbol, comes from Catherine in Australia, and it is called Peaceful Focus. All right, the way we draw it is we make the line that comes here, like that. Sorry for the sound effects. I'm such a mom. Anyhow, and then we make these sort of ovals that are full in, coming up in a stairwise fashion. All right, I'll draw it for you right here. See if we can get my hand to come in here, all right? So you go from left to right, and the way she drew it for me, it's kind of thick, but when I do this symbol for people in my work, I just go straight from left to right once, okay? And then I kind of mentally go like this, and I go like that, and I go like that. And this symbol is going to help you achieve greater clarity in your purpose and greater peace as these changes into the new golden age happen. So I wish you great luck. Aloha and mahalos. Namaste. Enjoy.